for joining us. Well, what are the charts suggesting? What could the next move be on the Nifty and the other benchmark indices?
Hi, good morning. See, the overall tone since yesterday, it has been positive. Very interestingly, Nifty had a gap up opening even before the budget started. In fact, it closed where it opened during the day. So the budget actually was a no event because we just saw volatility, a sharp decline in between and a sharp rise post that. So that indicates that it was like a no event because Nifty was already anticipating it. And I think it's already being discounted in the prices right now. What remains a concern is that is about the inflation, and we are going to see what RBI policy is going to do. That is from the fundamental perspective, but that's going to be interesting because US bond yields have been on the rise. We can clearly see Indian bond yields are not supporting what it is doing, and it's expecting there is going to be possibly a rate hike, and that's going to be not a good sign for the markets as such. But over short term, yes, the undertone remains bullish. We have seen a sharp decline from 18,300 towards that 16,830 levels. From there, we are again seeing a sharp rise. So it's a broad range bond market with a lot of volatility. And over short term, I think dips can be used as a buying opportunity, not buying at the current levels. If you get a dip towards that 17,600, that can be used as buying opportunity, maintaining 17,500 as a stop loss, and then expecting it to go towards that 17,800 mark on the upside. So that's a short-term trading strategy. Over the medium term, I think it's going to be consolidating in a broad range.
You want to fill us in with a couple of stocks as well?
Yes, the first stock on the buy side is going to be Sudarshan Chemical. After a lot of consolidation, we are seeing a breakout happening today. The volumes are picking up, and I think this stock is possibly headed towards the target of 660 on the upside. So one can create long positions in Sudarshan Chemical. Stop loss to be maintained at 595, target of 660. And the next stock on the buy side is going to be ACE, which we call as Action Construction Equipment. Again, after consolidation, a breakout happening in this stock as well, managing to bounce back from its 20 days DMA and 10 days DMA. And there is a positive crossover also. So ACE can be a good buy for a breakout strategy. Target can be 256 and stop loss has to be maintained at 231.
Okay, all right, Ashish, thanks a lot for joining us. Have a great day ahead. With that, we'll slip into a short break now. But before we do that, here's something that your viewers must take note of.